too far.
What's your favorite Madonna album?
I like her early work.
If his answer is anything but, I've never bought one, you've got a gay.
Let's take a blood sample, Mr. Braga.
If instead of human blood, you find a deadly corrosive acid, you've got a gay. You've got a gay.
I could have sex with you, or I could just stand over there and drink from the lake, and everything in between.
You get off my property, you pervert.
You've got a gay.
Oh boy, this is gonna be fun. I haven't made a crank call in years. Shh, quiet, it's ringing.
Hello?
Hello? Is this Linda Tripp?
Yes?
You shouldn't have talked, you stupid
Gay.
I hope you die.
That wasn't really a crank call. That was just unpleasant.
Sorry about that. All right, so which one of y'all ain't got my herpes yet?
You get off my property, you pervert.
You want me to drag my sack across your face?
Dude, check it out. There's a pig behind that fence.
Oh, yeah, I see.
Dude, we could eat that pig.
What?
Dude, come on. We could totally eat that pig. We could do it, man. We could. It'd be so easy, man. It would take like a minute.
Could it really be that fast?
Peter, that pig could be in our stomachs in like 1 minute, and then we could do other stuff.
All right, I'm starved. Let's do it. Go smoke a fatty. Go smoke one of my balls.
You gay.
You want me to drag my sack across your face?
Go smoke one of my balls.
You gay.
I know you have a choice in airport sex, and I appreciate your choosing Quagmire. Please exercise caution when standing up, as the contents of your vagina may have shifted during coitus.
You get off my property, you pervert.
You want me to drag my sack across your face?
You gay. Who else but Quagmire?
You want me to drag my sack across your face?
You gay.
I feel kind of funny.
Ow, it bit me!
understand, Brian. When was the last time you were even with a woman?
When did the Challenger blow up?
86.
Yeah, it was like 3 years before that.
You've got a gay.
You want me to drag my sack across your face?
You gay.
Go smoke a fatty. I got a piercing over there. I'm not gonna tell you where, but I'll give you a hint. It wasn't my nose or my ear, and it was one of my balls.
Awesome.
Okay, now add 20.
Okay.
Now multiply it by 4.
Okay.
And what do you got?
8,008.
And what does 8,008 look like on a calculator?
Oh, boom.
Boom! Yeah! All right, boom!
What if we had 2 calculators and we put them next to each other?
Yes. Find one. Yes.
Awesome.
You want me to drag my sack across your face?
You gay.
I hope you die!
Awesome.
Go smoke a fatty.
You gay.
Vagina. Boom!
I could have sex with you, or I could just...
Drag my sack across your face?
Or I could just stand over there and...
Fucking that ass!
You gay.
Awesome.
Go smoke one of my balls.
I could have sex with you, or I could just...
Drag my sack across your face?
Or I could just stand over there and...
Fucking that ass!
You gay.
Awesome.
Boom!
Go smoke one of my balls.
Dude! Hey, you up for a little NAFTA?
What's that?
Another afternoon fucking that ass!